His passion is painting colors and lines, express his heart in the world of art. He finds his joy, a happiness that never departs. Immersed in creativity, his soul finds solace. Each stroke a reflection of his inner grace. I'll be his love for us shines bright, a flame that never fades away. In the fear is painting colors and light, express his heart in the world of art. He finds his joy, a happiness that never depart. Immersed in creativity.